It's quick and in season, with all the goodness that comes with simple and authentic things. Pan-fried artichokes, my favorite side dish. Let's start by cleaning the artichokes. With a knife like this one, I'm going to skin the stem. And then I'll proceed to remove the harder, more leathery leaves. I'll skin the base and make sure it's well rounded. And I'll continue removing the upper part of the leaves little by little. Now that the artichokes are clean, I'll submerge them in slightly acidic water. I'll show you how. I cut a lemon in half and squeeze the juice into a bowl, leaving everything inside. And then I add everything else in too. Time to cut the artichokes into halves. And then, still using a knife, remove the choke inside. We'll cut this in half as well. And back into the water. Now that I've drained my artichoke segments, I'll add a good splash of oil to the pan, along with an unpeeled clove of garlic, which I'm going to crush with the knife. And then finally a sprig of mint. We want to use one with a proper stem like this to flavor the fawn. The sauté is ready, so I'll add the artichokes, some salt, I'll cover it with the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. I'll simmer it in some white wine, which will help it to keep a nice color. And while I let the smell of the alcohol evaporate, I'll chop up the parsley. I'll grate in some pepper. Pour in the water and let it cook for 10 more minutes. And now my pan-fried artichokes are ready. Perfect as a side dish, but also on some bruschetta. Let me know how you like this recipe, and I'll be looking for your comments and photos on our social media channels. Time to eat. Bon appétit!